Alright.
How many baddies would it take in one room to get one man bricked up?
Alright, man, I need
20.
a fair fight.
Oh, we have.
If they're big booty.
Damn, already off the bat. Already off the bat. We have.
That was just 1 second.
Damn.
I'll be right back. I need to go find an Abby.
Alright.
Is that
I'm already hearing these two in my background throw hands.
4, 5,
Bro,
6.
Invincitard, how are you?
Damn, Harambe versus Kurt Cobain. And Harambe's already kicking Kurt Cobain's ass.
That's crazy, bro.
It's on guard.
in like 2 seconds in 1 second?
Damn, look at his move. Look at his move. Oh! Oh, shit!
Is down.
Harambe is down indeed. Holy shit.
Harambe.
Oh, he's real pissed. He's real pissed. He is real pissed off. Oh, shit. Damn.
He is down.
Damn. Yo, Harambe. Harambe, how do you feel beating Kurt Cobain? How do you feel?
It's more easier doing your How do you feel about that, bro?
Ooga booga.